Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing the paper piecing from the Magical Birthday Page Kit number 116. If you don't have this kit yet, please check the description below. There's a link where you could purchase this kit. If it's out of stock, just message me and I'll let you know when it'll be back in. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Glue with the fine metal tip. Now this one can be a little tricky. So just watch this video carefully before you put yours together. I just recommend that because I already messed up the first time I did this one, and you'll see why. There's different layers in here and certain things have to go down first, otherwise it's not going to work out. So I'm just going to take you step by step. The first thing you're going to do is glue down the white to the black. Make sure your piece is facing up. So you'll see his hand sticking out. That's going to be on the right side. So we're going to make sure we put the glue on the back of that. I like to try to stay away from the edges, anywhere from 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, just to eliminate any excess glue. Okay, so we're going to place this down. You're going to have an even border all the way around. So just look at all the edges as you're laying it down. This glue does dry quickly, so pretty much once it's down, it's down. So you need to kind of do that all at the same time. Okay, so here is where I messed up the first time. I put Mickey down, forgetting all the fireworks that go behind him. So he has to go on top of the fireworks. So we're going to do that first. The silver one will go here, and they fit right in the grooves there. Now, in this case, I don't think it really matters what order you put your fireworks down, because where they actually overlap each other, Mickey's going to cover that, so it won't really make a difference. So I think I'm just going to go left to right. So I'll go ahead and put the silver one down. And I just recommend laying them down first so you can see what direction they're going to go in before you put them down, just so you can kind of see where you're going with that. Okay, again, you have a border. Now the white border is going to be slightly thinner than the black, so don't try to do the same width. Okay. And then the red one, that's going to go just like that. Okay, so now that we have our fireworks down, so I'll give you a little bit of a close look there. And these are all 3 out of glitter paper by Ella and Viv. It's beautiful, smooth cardstock. Cuts wonderfully on the Cricut. Okay, so now he's going to go down, but he cannot go down yet. So this is also very important. you see we have some pieces that show through. Now some of them are white, so it'll be fine. Uh-oh, I just noticed something. Okay, so yeah, that one's fine, except for this silver glitter is showing through right there. So that's not so fine. I'm trying to think, I could snip that off. I might have to cut the firework a little bit shorter. So I will figure that out before putting your kits together. So don't worry about that. But yeah, let me see if I have some scissors. If I can do this. And I can't snip too much because that's such a thin. I don't know. All right, well, I think that worked actually. Okay, so what I'll do for the kits is I will go in on the actual cut file and I'll just snip that off just enough so that it won't show. Or I'll figure something out. Anyway, so the white don't worry about, but we do need to put the yellow for the shoes. So once again, you want to make sure he's going the correct way. Then you're going to turn him upside down. And you're going to have two pieces that go on the back. One's a half circle and one's a circle. So the circle is going to go right here. It's going to go around. Okay, so that it'll show through right there. And then the half circle is going to go right over this spot here. Okay, so that goes just like that. Okay, so now he's ready to glue down. He's gonna go just like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add glue to him. So again, you want to make sure the white is even all the way around. Okay, so now we can add in, let me see, space. I think I'm just going to lay, I'm not sure exactly the angle. I mean, I think we can kind of tell with that, but I'm going to just let it sit there, and let's put in, okay, so this has the humps over it that'll go nicely around these pieces. So that's going to help right there to place this one, and then this placement should help us with the face. Okay, so just like that. And then the face will be like that. So when you're gluing on your face, there is a right and a wrong side. It was kind of hard to tell. It looks almost symmetrical. But if you look right down here, there's a little tiny notch right in there. And then there's a little bit longer one. So the longer one's going to go on the right side. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and glue down this other red piece. There's a little bit of excess glue there, so I'm just going to take the pin from my glue and pick that up. Okay, now, well, let's see, let's put his tongue in there. And then we can do his hands and his shoes. So again, the hands look similar, but they are different, so make sure you've got them the right way. So I always like to just lay it down real quick, make sure I have it facing up correctly. Okay, and then the shoes. And these are the last two pieces. So I want to thank you so much for staying till the end. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up below. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here at Katie's World. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates on upcoming projects. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.